Abu Trica has been granted bail by the High Court, is what we are hearing right now.
The High Court granted the applicant or the accused bail today. And as part of the conditions, we are to ensure that we get 2 sureties with 30 million Ghana cedis as part of the bail condition. So currently, that is what we are currently working on to see how.
Frederick Kumi, popularly known as Abu Trica, has been facing a lot of legal issues, since last year. Since last year and even the beginning of this year, he has been challenging an extradition case because, his case is actually quite sensitive and it's also a matter of international position, basically. Like, it's not a Ghanaian issue, so it's very, very sensitive. And they've been trying to extradite him for a while now, so he has been fighting that charge. Now, he has been alleged to be involved in a $8 million romance scam, as well as fraud and certain other things. You get it? So he has been in and out of police custody, in and out of court. Today they said they are bailing him. Tomorrow this person has arrested him. They are just been going through a lot. But what we are hearing from his lawyer today is that they have been awarded bail on the premise that they provide 2 sureties and the bail sum of 30 million Ghana cedis. I don't know about you, but this bail sounds like they don't even want to give me the bail, because how do you want to give somebody bail and you want them to provide 2 sureties and 30 million Ghana cedis? That does not make sense to me. Is that how much people usually charge for bail? Because it sounds very, very ridiculous to me. And I'm not the only person who thinks that way, because everybody in the comment section of this particular video is talking about the bail manner. We have someone say the bail conditions are denial of bail in disguise. And just because he's being bailed does not mean that all these other legal issues go away. They still have to be paying lawyer fees. You still have to be paying a lot of other fees throughout this entire court process. He's just being granted bail, meaning that he's going to be allowed, out of police custody. That does not mean that is going to affect the court proceedings in any way. They will still have to be going through with their court proceedings. He has been battling this for months now, for months on end. And even some Ghanaians have lost hope. You get it? Because today you hear this, tomorrow is something else. Today you hear this, tomorrow is something. At some point you even hear that, he was being let go of. Only for him to be rearrested by another government body. It's just been a lot. So someone in the comments is like, but wait, is it 3 million Ghana cedis or 30 million Ghana cedis? Because 3 million Ghana cedis is $270,000 by a rough, estimate. And then 30 million Ghana cedis is $2.7 million. The vast difference between those two numbers. He says, because the lawyer is saying 30 million Ghana cedis, and some people are saying 3 million, so which is which? So for us at now, we are not sure, because the lawyer is saying 30 million Ghana cedis. So I think we need to go with what the lawyer is saying, since he would know more about the court proceedings than any regular person that is walking around. Another person is also saying taking $3 million as bail from the alleged 8 millions. I think it's a very good deal. I don't think this person understands. Just because somebody is granting you bail does not mean you are being granted your freedom, or they are saying you are not guilty. That verdict is not out yet. He's just being granted bail. And even as at now, he's still not free, because according to the lawyer, he's saying that they are trying to put together the conditions of the bail. That means that they haven't brought for the conditions yet. Now, according to an article on Ghana, the ruling is expected to grant Abu Trica temporary freedom while legal proceedings continue over his possible extradition to the United States, as I mentioned earlier. It may be recalled that Olivia Barker Vomawo recently shared details what he describes as an alleged set-up by a Federal Bureau of Investigation, which is the FBI, agent against his client. According to Oliver Barker, his client, who is facing charges relating to a large-scale online romance scam estimated at over $8 million, was once approached by an FBI agent and lured into a dubious deal. In a social media post on March 28, 2026, Barker claims that the FBI agent deceived Abu Trica by saying they wanted to withdraw $50,000 and needed an account to transfer the money into. The lawyer for embattled Ghanaian socialite physics named Puppy members Abu Trica has detailed what he describes as an alleged setup by a Federal Bureau of Investigation and plans to supply it. So that is what we have for you guys today. If we have more stories on this particular Abu Trica case, we will bring you to you here right here at New Charlie Street. This has been what they go on. We make coming up there. Get through the case.